What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Got another hard reset. Today we are doing the Cricut Icon Phi. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or password on the phone and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have any pictures, videos, or anything like that, it's going to get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton of more hard resets and teardowns coming up. We're trying to have like the biggest library of hard resets possible. So we're trying to do a bunch every day and more coming up. So we'd appreciate the support. Otherwise, let's get into this bad boy. What we're going to do is make sure that it's off. In this case, it is. And we want to hold volume up and power at the same time, because you have your volume button, volume up, volume down, and power. And we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Hold volume up first, then hit power. Brings us right to, sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. The lighting might be giving a little bit of a glare, but that's your bootloader options, and we want to use volume up to select and volume down's okay. So we want the arrow to be on recovery, so we hit volume up until it's on that, then volume down to select it. And then from here, this one should load to a no command screen. I haven't done this one in a while, so I can't exactly remember, but it should. Oh, see, no command screen. See, totally forgot. From here, we want to use our volume buttons to scroll and power button to select, and we're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm it again, hit the power button, and now it's deleting. Now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off, but that is how we do a hard reset on a Cricut Icon 5. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you could, we'd appreciate it. You know, any like, comment, share, all that great stuff. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.